Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fire Emblem Three Houses on PC. Playing your favorite console games on a computer is totally possible with the right tools. First, you'll need a reasonably powerful personal computer to handle the demands of emulation, ideally with at least 16 gigabytes of RAM and a modern processor. Also, make sure your operating system, whether it's Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, is fully updated for the best compatibility and performance. Next, you'll need to choose an emulator. For Nintendo Switch games like Fire Emblem Three Houses, Yuzu and Ryujinx are two excellent and widely used options. Always download your chosen emulator directly from its official website to ensure you get the legitimate and most up-to-date version. Remember, you should only obtain game files, often called ROMs, legally from games you already own, such as by dumping them from your own game cartridges. Once you have your emulator and game files, it's time for setup. Install the emulator and then dive into its configuration settings. You'll want to adjust graphics and performance options to match your computer's specifications, aiming for a balance between visual quality and smooth gameplay. Don't forget to map your controls. You can use a compatible game controller or even your keyboard and mouse for a personalized gaming experience. To get the best experience, make sure your graphics drivers are always updated to their latest versions. This can significantly boost performance and stability. Before launching the game, close any unnecessary background applications to free up your computer's resources, giving the emulator more power to run smoothly. With these steps, you're all set to enjoy the rich story and tactical battles of Fire Emblem Three Houses right on your personal computer.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.